So to make basil pesto, हमको basil चाहिए और we'll be using some garlic cloves and about 10 to 12 cashews. Cashews की जगह ideally we should use pine nuts, but pine nuts are not readily available at everybody's house or any shop. तो हम उसका immediate substitute we will take it cashew, so it will give equal richness and equal binding to the pesto. और हम यूज़ करेंगे salt and we'll use crushed black pepper. We'll use extra virgin olive oil, and for the people who are okay to add Parmesan cheese or Pecorino Romano or Grana Padano, so these are all Italian cheeses, Italian hard cheeses जो कि pesto में it's a must to put. But then you can put it during the making of pesto, or else you can put it during the preparation of the dish which you'll be using, where you'll be using pesto. जैसे कि अगर आप pesto पास्ता बनाओगे अगर आप, तो उसमें आप चीज़ यूज़ कर सकते हो. Right now I'm not using any cheese in it because I'm keeping it vegan. So we just have to put a bowl of basil. हम एक bowl में डालेंगे. We will mix it and then we will blend it together in a blender. And then you can add some pepper and some salt. A lot of people don't add salt during making pesto because the pesto turns black. So it is again optional कि आप salt skip कर सकते हैं. Few people add vinegar also, red wine vinegar or something, that is also optional, but वो आपके pesto को pickle करके again it makes it dark. So we'll be putting about 2 spoons of, these are 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, और ये हम blending के लिए यूज़ करेंगे. Apart from this, if we will need some more, we will add it, or else anyways we'll be adding a lot of olive oil on top of the pesto ताकि हमारी pesto oxidize ना हो. So I will just blend this and come. So our pesto is ready. अभी इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे olive oil. इसके अंदर नहीं, एटलीस्ट इसके ऊपर डालेंगे so it doesn't oxidize. और and a chef's tip is while you're blending the pesto, try and add some ice cubes. Ice cubes से आपका जो basil है it will not lose its color and since it will maintain the temperature. Generally हम जब कोई मिक्सी में कुछ पीसते हैं तो ग्राइंडिंग के टाइम पे ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन इट एंड्स अप लूजिंग द कलर बिकॉज ऑफ टेम्परेचर. तो यहाँ पे हम टू मेंटेन द टेम्परेचर टू कीप इट कोल्ड वी कैन ऐड सम आइस क्यूब्स टू इट. तो मैंने आइस क्यूब्स ऐड किया है एंड देन दैट्स हाउ द कलर केम आउट एंड आई हैव एडेड सम ऑलिव ऑयल ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट सो इट डजंट ऑक्सीडाइज. एंड here's your basil pesto which is ready to go. You can use it for a dip with your garlic bread, you can use it as a spread on your pizza, you can use it as a sauce for your pasta, and you can use it as a sauce for your grilled chicken, grilled fish. All yours. Innumerable of uses for this sauce or a dip. So enjoy it, make it right now, and do not forget to add Parmesan cheese if you do have it at home. Thank you.